Hello, I'm Avtaars. I'm going to cook a dish called Palak Gosht. Translated into English, it simply means pureed spinach and meat. So for the meat, you can use any red meat or you can even substitute it with the chicken. This dish is going to give you the best of both worlds. The meat itself is full of protein. On the other hand, the palak is got all the goodness of the green leafy vegetable, and you have all the vitamins that you get from it as well as the minerals. For my dish, I'm going to use diced turkey thigh because I find that that's very lean, low carbs and low fat, but full of protein. One of the special ingredients that I add to Palak Gosht, it is called kasuri methi. What it is just dried methi, the fenugreek leaves which have gone into the dried form. It's got a pungent, very strong taste, and you want to have that flavors to enhance the meat flavor. I'm using fresh spinach, some boneless turkey thigh pieces, onion, ginger, garlic, green chili and tomato. I'm going to blend them, or you can finely chop them into very fine consistency. Cumin seeds, salt, turmeric powder, red chili flakes, fenugreek leaves which are dry, or kasuri methi. In this instance, garam masala, and coriander seeds, which I'm going to grind them into a powder. Add some oil into the pan. I try to keep minimum. Start with the cumin seeds, frying them. Add onions together with garlic. I want the garlic to be cooked so it doesn't give you that raw smell. So cook until these are completely browned. Grind my coriander seeds in the meantime. Turn the heat off and add turmeric, chilies, garam masala, coriander powder, salt as well. Enough heat in the oil to bring out the flavors. Add the fenugreek leaves as well, and instantly I'm adding tomatoes because it's quite dry, so the fluid from the tomatoes will start activating the fenugreek leaves as well. And sometimes you may need to add a drop of water so that fenugreek start releasing its oils and everything starts blending together into a nice lovely paste. And I've already added the ginger and the green chilies. Now optional, I'm adding tomato puree. It's nice, it hasn't got tangy taste, or you can just add extra tomatoes. It gives a nice color to the meat. Add the meat and turn it thoroughly so that all the spices start coating each and every piece and bit of the meat. So it's almost like browning the meat, except with this spice blend. And I'm going to add just a dash of water so that the meat is going to absorb all those spices and it doesn't burn, and it's getting browned, or in other words it's getting cooked while it's absorbing all the flavors. Blended my spinach. As you can tell, the meat is almost cooked by the colors. Spinach doesn't need much cooking. add it to the meat. Now I've saved myself that step of actually blanching the spinach. If I'm just blending it with a bit of water, I'm retaining all the colors, and all the fresh taste will be there as well. So spinach is going to get folded onto the meat, is kind of covering like a sauce onto the meat, and cook it for a few minutes. I've actually left it uncovered so all the extra water disappears, and I shall just do my atta in the meantime, because I'm going to have the spinach meat wali palak with roti. It goes absolutely yummy. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for being with us. God bless you. Goodbye for now.